again, Tesla Guy here. I know it's been a while since I've done some videos. I try not to put out videos that are redundant to everything that's on YouTube. I'm most of the time trying to show you things that are problems that people haven't been able to solve, that I found a solution to through research or trial and error. One of the things is cleaning the interior of this windshield. It's so deep, it's almost impossible to reach, and this is the solution that I found. It's an item that I already had. It's called Windows Wow, and basically a series of very heavy, really heavy magnets. Hold it apart here, boom, there we go. And so one goes on the interior and one goes on the exterior, and you apply window cleaner to both of them, and they snap together, and you can clean the outside and inside at the same time. My goal is not really to clean the outside when I'm doing it, so the window cleaner acts more as a lubricant, but it does a great job getting into the very edges here. You just have to be a little careful, because if you go beyond the windshield, you'll knock the interior one off, and you just have to pick it up. And then they have another product that's part of this and in the kits, which I believe they're calling it Haze Magic or something like that, but I'll put the links down below. And it basically picks up all the leftover haze from the window cleaner and everything else. So it works very well. It's some kind of foam material. I may put a little information about what it is if I can find out what it is. All right, so let's go. Okay, so I've just laid this down right here, and it will stick, boom, like that. And now we'll just give you a quick demonstration of how it's used, and then I'll show you the results. Okay, so the trick with this is to keep it away from the edges, because it will then knock this inside piece off. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna slide it down slowly, and you can kind of see how this works. And the important thing here is to really get down into these areas that you can't reach, as you can see. And if I'm very careful and glide it around, I can get in here. And there you go. Sorry for the camera miss there, but I can really work this area that is very difficult to get into. And the rest is fairly obvious. You just kind of work it around, and you can kind of see what's going on here, and get right to close to the edge as you can. And you just do the whole windshield, and then you hit it with a haze remover, and that'll get rid of all the extra haze. But it's a pretty strong magnet. It's a pretty big and thick windshield, and you just work it systematically back and forth. So now the haze remover is attached on the inside, and I'm gonna go through the same process, just showing you kind of how it moves around, but we'll do this and then show you the results. So now I've hand cleaned the outside, and you can see the results on the inside. But especially down here, I don't know how well it's picked up, but it's pretty clean. And then we'll actually take it outside, take it for a little drive, and try to peek at it so you can get a better view of it. So here we are driving, and it is absolutely crystal clear, not one speck that I can see. So definitely served its purpose. Okay, I hope you find that was useful for you, especially if you're getting a Cybertruck. It comes pretty grungy down there, so it's something that certainly worked for me, and I hope it works for you. That Windshield Wow product is not available on Amazon, so you may want to try to find a similar product, but I have not tested any, and I understand that people have, and the magnets aren't as strong enough for this windshield, but there you have it. And then I will be doing more videos with accessories that I've set up in the Cybertruck, but I'm still kind of in the process of refining that, so I'll look forward to that sometime in the near or even distant future. Thank you.